Hello and welcome back to Pabbly. In this video, we will learn how to automate Google Lead Ads leads to Zoho CRM and send welcome emails. So here my objective is that whenever someone applies through my Google Ads, then instantly one welcome mail will be sent to the user's Gmail account and a new contact will automatically be created in my Zoho CRM. So to do this, I will integrate my Google Ads to Gmail and Zoho CRM using an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. So now to see the working of this amazing automation and learn the process step by step, let's go to my screen. Welcome to my screen everyone. So this right here is the automation that we will be creating in this video. With the help of this, whenever you receive the new leads through your Google ad, then automatically one instant welcome mail will be sent to each of your users' Gmail account and a new contact will automatically be created in Zoho CRM. And all this done without writing any single line of code. So if you also want to create this amazing automation, then just follow step-by-step instructions that I'm giving you in this video. So let's get started. At first, you have to click on a new tab and search pabbly.com/connect. So this is the official page of Pabbly Connect. Pabbly Connect is an all-in-one automation tool that's help you to automate and integrate multiple applications without requiring any single line of code. Now I'll give you a quick overview of Pabbly community. So this is right over here is Pabbly community where automation users, business owners and marketers connect. If you face any issue while using the Pabbly, then you can share your questions here and the people who are facing similar problem just like you or even the Pabbly team members will help you out. I have also shared the link of this amazing community in the description below. You can check out. Now we will return to the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In this page on the right hand side you will see two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are new user, then you will click on sign up free option and get 100 free tasks every month to explore the software. If you are an existing user, then you will click on sign in option. Since I am an existing user, so I will click on the sign in option. See, these are the all apps that Pabbly provide to their users. As we are doing integration between application and that will only be possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So I am going in this Pabbly Connect by clicking on this Access Now button. See, this is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect where you can create and manage all of your automation workflows in one place. Here you can see your task allotted, your task consumed, your task remaining and the free task consumed. And in this folder section, you can create multiple folders into your Pabbly Connect account by clicking on this plus option where you have to enter the folder name in this field and also select the parent folder from here. As we are creating a new workflow, so I will click on this plus create workflow button. When I click on it, it will ask me to select the workflow builder while providing me two types of workflow builder, that is new beta and the classic version. It is a modern, faster and more flexible, while the other one is for stable and familiar approach. I am creating this workflow with the help of this new beta version, so I am selecting this. Then it will ask me to enter the workflow name that I am going to enter as automate Google Lead Ads leads to Zoho CRM and send welcome emails. After that, I will select the folder as Pabbly Connect and moving forward, I am clicking on this create button. See, our workflow is created successfully. Now this is right over here is the most important step of doing any automation, that is trigger. Trigger says when this happens. This is the first application you have to select for creating your workflow. Here in this video, my objective is that whenever I receive new lead through my Google Lead Ads, an instant welcome mail will send to the user's Gmail account and based on the user leads, automatically a new contact will be created in Zoho CRM. So to do this setup, at first I am going to select my trigger application as Google Ads. So I am simply searching it here. Next, the app event I select as new lead form entry. After that, I will click on this connect button. Then you can see it will provide me one webhook URL and also the steps that how you can connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Google Ads. So I am simply copying this webhook URL from here. You can see that it is waiting for a webhook response. Now for getting this webhook response, I am going to my Google Ads campaign. See, here I have already created this lead form. You just have to simply scroll down and you will see that one option, that is lead delivery option. Just click on it. After that, it will provide you one field by the name of webhook URL. I am going to paste this webhook URL in this field. After that, in this key field, I am adding any test key. Next, I will click on the send test data. See, it is saying that test data sent. Now I am going to check my workflow that I have received a new response or not. See, I have received a new response 1 second ago. This means that my Google Ads account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. As you can see, we have received the company name in the string value as well as phone number, first name and last name. So the reason behind this is that my campaign is in draft mode. I am not running a live campaign. That's why I have received the test data. So now you have two options. First of all, you can create this automation using test details and it is going to run perfectly fine for the real leads too. But now if you want to create this automation only real lead details, you can click on this recapture webhook response button. After that, you have to wait until you receive the lead, and once you are going to receive a real lead, automatically the webhook response will be captured. And you can create this automation using real lead details. But I'll suggest you can create this with the test details and it is going to run perfectly fine with real lead details too. So the setup of my trigger application is done. Now I am going to take my action application as Gmail because I want to send instant welcome mail to the user's Gmail account. So to do this, I'm simply clicking on this plus option and searching the app as Gmail. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as send email. Then I will click on this connect button. Here you can see it will provide with two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. But you have an existing connection, then you will click on the select existing connection option. For making new connection, I will simply click on the sign in with Google button. Here it is asking me for my permission, so I am accepting it by clicking on this continue button. To see my Gmail account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. After that, I am going to write the sender name as Nova Ads Solution. I write the sender name as a test example. You can make the changes in it. As soon as you can connect your Gmail account to the Pabbly Connect, it will automatically select the sender email address in this field. This is the recipient email address field. In most cases, we do mapping here, where you have to select the response that you will receive from my previous application. In this workflow, our previous application is Google Ads, so I am simply clicking on it. In this step, you have to select the string value. As I mentioned earlier, my Google Ad is in draft mode and the campaign is not live yet since it is not generating real leads right now, so I cannot map the actual email address. That's why for demonstration purpose, I am typing the email address manually. But when you run this automation with real leads, you must map the email address that come from the user's response. Only then the email will be sent dynamically to each user. In the next, the CC, BCC and reply to is not a required field, so I am leaving this blank and directly writing the email subject in this field as welcome. Thanks for reaching out to us. After that, I am entering the email content in this email content field. Here I entered. Now after this hi, I want my username. So to do this, I am simply clicking on here. After that, I am selecting the response that I have received from my previous application, that is Google Ads. As I already told you that you have to select the response of the string value, and my Google Ad is in draft mode. That's why I am doing the mapping of test responses, that is first name and last name. Mapping is the most important step of doing any automation as it makes data dynamic. As different users have different data, so for capturing their data dynamically, mapping is used. After that, you have to select the email content type that I am going to select as HTML because I write this email content in the HTML format. You can also create your HTML content by clicking on this here below, and a complete tutorial of how you can create your HTML email is also there. After that, the labels I am going to select as inbox. Next, if you want to attach any file with your mail, then you can write the file name in this field and also attach the URL here. After that, I will click on the save and send test request button. See, I have received the positive response. Now I am going to check my Gmail account that I have received a mail or not. Here I am refreshing it. See, I have received a new mail 0 minutes ago, which includes my name as first name and last name that I have mapped on email email content field and all the details that I have right there. I write this email content as a test example. You can make the changes in it completely based on your choice. Now, as we have received the mail, this means that our action step is also working perfectly. Now, after this step, I am going to take my next action application as Zoho CRM, because whenever any new lead form entry will come through my Google Ads, then a new contact will automatically be created in my Zoho CRM. So to do this, I am simply clicking on this plus option and searching the app as Zoho CRM. Here I selected. After that, the app event I select as create contact. After that, I will click on this connect button. Then it will provide me two options, that is add new connection and select existing connection. If you have existing connection, then you can click on the select existing connection. Here I am going to make a new connection, so I will click on this add new connection. After that, I will click on this connect with Zoho CRM. Then you can see it will ask me to enter the domain. Now I am going to show you my domain. See, this is my domain, that is zoho.com. So I am simply copying this from here and pasting the domain here. After that, I will click on the save button. It is asking me for my permission, so I am accepting it. See, my Zoho CRM account is successfully connected to my Pabbly Connect. Here the lead source I am going to select as advertisement. Now in each of these fields, I am again going to do the mapping. So for that, I am simply clicking on it and selecting the string response that I have received from my Google Ads. In the first name field, I am going to map first name, after that the last name, then the email address. Next, I am not writing any title or department, so I am leaving this blank. Here I am doing mapping only some fields because I want to teach you how you can do mapping. You can also make the changes completely based on your choice. Now in this mobile field, I am going to map test phone number that I have received. Next, I am leaving all these fields blank and directly clicking on the save and send test request button. Here you can see one option is there, simple response toggle. If you want a response in simple format, then you can enable this toggle. If this toggle is disabled, then you will receive the response in the advanced format. See, we have received the positive response. Now we will check our Zoho CRM to see a new contact is created or not. Here I am refreshing this. See, automatically a new contact is created in my Zoho CRM. This means that our automation is working perfectly. Now our workflow is completed. After the completion of your workflow, you have to make sure that to enable this toggle. If you don't enable this toggle, then your workflow will become disabled and it will not work. If you face any difficulties or you have any questions while creating this workflow, then feel free to ask us in the comment section. I have also shared the link of this workflow in the description below. You can check out. With the help of this automation, whenever you receive new lead form entry through your Google Ads, an instant mail will automatically send to the user's Gmail account and a new contact will be created in your Zoho CRM. And this will only made possible with the help of Pabbly Connect. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can do multiple integration of many applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, then you can text us at forum.pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Connect, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/connect #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.